एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नेक्स्ट स्टेप बाय पारुल। और आज का टॉपिक है नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। In the previous video, I have already covered verbal communication. You can check the link in the description box. Now, let's come back to our topic, non-verbal communication. So, let's understand what is it. Non-verbal communication क्या होती है? So, it is the exchange of information without using the spoken or written words. So, mark this word without. मतलब जब हम अपने थॉट्स को, फीलिंग्स को, आइडियाज को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं विदाउट यूजिंग वर्ड्स, सो दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल इट एज नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन। तो फिर इंफॉर्मेशन शेयर कैसे होती है? सो इट इज शेयर्ड थ्रू जेस्चर्स, फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस, आई कॉन्टैक्ट, पोस्चर्स एंड बॉडी मूवमेंट। दीज आर ऑल the ways by which we can express our thoughts, our feelings and our ideas. Most of the time it happens unconsciously. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम नॉन वर्बली किसी से बात कर रहे होते हैं बिना सोचे या फिर समझे। नॉन अनकॉन्शियसली का मतलब है विदाउट पुटिंग एफर्ट्स इन थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, राइट? नाउ इट हेल्प्स टू एक्सप्रेस फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस। ये हेल्प करता है कि हमारे इमोशंस को, फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस करने में। फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हम सैड होते हैं या फिर एंग्री होते हैं, सो इट इज रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन आवर फेस। सो पीपल माइट आस्क यू व्हाट हैपेंड, यू वुड से नथिंग, बट your facial expressions, your gestures, your postures explicitly is saying that something has happened. So it helps to Let's talk about advantages of non-verbal communication. So first, it helps in clear explanation. For example, if you want to say that I'm happy, but your facial expressions doesn't show like that, so it won't be clear to the person either you're happy or angry or frustrated or what, right? So it helps in giving clear explanation or information. So you must have seen in many of the TV shows or the news channels wherein they have sign language translators. ये जो sign language translators होते हैं, वो sign language के through deaf and mute people को समझा रहे होते हैं what is being spoken. So that is very much helpful for deaf and mute people. Next, helps in expressing feelings easily. Even if you don't have to say anything, just by your expressions, your hand gestures, movement, you can easily communicate with others. Also saves time, right? You just nodding your head and saying no or yes or hi. It's saving your time without you being putting effort in speaking something. Next is works as an aid to verbal communication. This point we have already discussed, that it works as a helping hand for verbal communication. Now let's come to the last point, and that is helpful for illiterate people. That's so correct. जिसको पढ़ना नहीं आता, लिखना नहीं आता, so that would be very much helpful for illiterate people अगर हम उनसे sign language में बात करें, right? Also it is helpful for the people who doesn't know your language. मान लीजिए आप किसी country में गए and you don't know their language, so you can at least communicate. For example, if you want phone, so you can do like this, right? Or you can just join your hands and say namaste to them. So like that. So it is helpful in the situations wherein you don't know the language. Now let's talk about disadvantages of non-verbal communication. Now what are the disadvantages of non-verbal communication? First is feedback may be difficult. हो सकता है आपने कुछ समझाने की कोशिश की using hand gestures, but the other person is not able to understand, right? For example, a teacher is explaining a concept. मान लीजिए आपकी कोई टीचर आपको कोई concept समझा रही है and she is asking, have you understood everyone? And you just nod your head. So nodding head would not give feedback to the person or to the teacher that have you really understood or not, right? Message can be incomplete. हो सकता है message incomplete रह जाए. You won't be able to explain the whole scenario using the sign language. मतलब है कि आपको कुछ चीज समझानी है, but you won't be able to explain it in multiple ways because you know sign language में बहुत ही कम instances होते हैं, या फिर sign languages होती हैं, या फिर gestures and postures होते हैं जिससे कि सामने वाला समझ पाए. So this would mean hi only. This would mean namaste only, right? You cannot greet the other person using any other sign language if the other person doesn't know. Next, encoding and decoding problem may occur. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप जो साइन लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं वो आपके लिए नॉर्मल हो, बट अदर पर्सन टेक इट अदरवाइज. फॉर एग्जांपल, डूइंग ऑल द बेस्ट मे बी और डूइंग ओके मे बी गुड फॉर यू एंड इट्स नॉर्मल फॉर यू, बट मे बी इन अदर कल्चर्स इसको ऑफेंस ले लिया जाता हो. सो दैट वाज एन एग्जांपल. नेक्स्ट, नो परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड. देयर इज नो परमानेंट रिकॉर्ड ऑफ व्हाट एक्सप्रेशंस यू मेड एंड how you were sitting, what hand gestures you were doing. There are no permanent records. Non-verbal cues may differ across cultures. This again very much similar to encoding and decoding problem. Non-verbal cues, जैसे मैंने अभी example दिया था thumbs up का, it may differ from culture to culture. Now let's do some questions and check our understanding. First one, which of the following is a limitation of non-verbal communication? First, saves time, helps express emotions, no permanent record, or helps illiterate people. So understand the word limitation means disadvantage. जब हम limitation की बात करते हैं तब हम बात करते हैं इसका disadvantage क्या है. So the option C, no permanent record, this is a limitation for non-verbal communication. हम कोई भी permanent record नहीं रख सकते. बाकी के जो है वो advantages हैं. Next, which of the following is not a form of non-verbal communication? Check the word not. इसमें से कौन सा form non-verbal communication का नहीं है? Eye contact, hand movement, writing a letter, or facial expression. So writing a letter is not a form of non-verbal communication, whereas it is a form of verbal communication. उसमें से भी किसका type है? Tell me in the comment section. Writing a letter is which form of verbal communication? Tell me in the comment section. So that's it for this video. We are going to talk about visual communication in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.